D at an angle of 35 degrees. That was a lot of information in one sentence. Let's draw a picture. So there is a driveway. Over D feet, it goes up 12 feet. It rose 12 feet as it went D feet. Estimate the length of the driveway. Here's our length of the driveway. Think about it. Your driveway is at D. This is what you're driving on. The driveway is the diagonal. It's actually the hypotenuse of the triangle. So we're being asked to solve for the hypotenuse this time. D was just some extra information. What we really need to focus on is the hypotenuse and our given angle. Now, please notice, the distance that it's rising to 12 feet is being done at an angle of 35 degrees. So we have this angle, and we're given the side opposite, and we're being asked to solve for the hypotenuse. So, what is going to relate the opposite and the hypotenuse? Sine. Sine is our trigonometric ratio that will relate the opposite to the hypotenuse. So, we're going to have the sine of 35 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 12 over L, the length of the driveway. If we cross multiply, putting sine of 35 over 1, we're going to end up with L times sine of 35 over 12. Now, when we do that, L's not all by itself. So what we're going to have to do is divide both sides by the sine of 35 degrees. So L equals 12 divided by the sine of 35 degrees. Now, from there, that's the exact answer. If they want exact, they may just leave the answer looking just like that, 12 over the sine of 35 degrees, and that's fine. You may have a decimal approximation or being round to the nearest foot, and if you type that in your calculator, when your calculator is in degrees, you're going to find that the length of the driveway is approximately 20.92 or about 21 feet long. Okay. That was your short and sweet lesson on the introduction to trigonometry. What should you remember from this lesson? You should remember SohCahToa. That's what's going to help you realize which one you should use, sine, cosine, or tangent. So SohCahToa, you need to remember that. Second biggest thing you need to remember, make sure your calculator is in the correct mode. Make sure your calculator is in degrees if you are plugging in degrees. Okay? Good luck!